Today, we welcome our customer from Brazil to our factory for the inspection of a customized laser welded square pipe production line. This is a fully automatic laser pipe making line designed for high precision, stable performance, and efficient production. It is suitable for manufacturing square and rectangular tubes with consistent quality and excellent finish. The production line starts with coil decoiling, followed by material feeding into the system. Next comes punching, where holes are accurately formed according to requirements. Then, the material enters the servo feeding system, ensuring precise and stable feeding into the forming section. After that, the strip goes through roll forming, gradually shaping into the required tube profile. The entire line runs automatically with PLC control, ensuring high efficiency and minimal manual intervention. With advanced laser welding technology, the weld seam is clean, strong, and highly precise. The system also features stable transmission, accurate cutting length, and smooth operation throughout. Here are the finished square pipes, with uniform shape, clean edges, and high dimensional accuracy. If you are looking for a reliable pipe production solution, feel free to contact us for more details and customized options.